Hey everybody, Jason Wydro here, Golden Dental Marketing and W3 Developing LLC. So we put together 5 priority points to focus on right now in relation to what's happening across the United States, particularly in relation to our dental practice clients, which makes up the majority of our client base. As always, if you're looking on the internet, there's a lot of information floating around. A lot of noise out there. Some good, some bad. So we hope this 5 simple points can help you more effectively deal with this situation. Our ultimate goal is that you come out on the other side with minimal loss and even possibly breaking new barriers with your practice. We just want what's best for you. So let me jump right into this. So again, based on everything that's happening, it's important that you have preparatory visit instructions. If things have changed or there's hygiene points, any other requirements that are needed, and of course, not creating alarm in that message. As always, and goes without saying, keep it very simple and easy to understand. And always answer questions clearly and concisely. If you've been affected like this, like most dentists in the US, come up with an alternative scheduling plan. Allow online scheduling. And again, provide clear instructions for making a schedule and any other details that might be required that patient or potential patient should know about. It's also noted in our presentation here that Google does offer a free booking solution that ties into Google Calendar. Unfortunately, this isn't necessarily going to tie into your patient relationship software, but it could work as a temporary solution. Number 3, it's very important that you target your communication out, particularly in times like this. This means that you're categorizing your specific patients or potential patients that have reached out to you and getting an exacted and direct message to them. Make sure you're using all channels available for your communication and detailed, specialized, custom messages for specific patient groups that fit specific profiles. For example, patients that have already missed appointments, rescheduling information, and future potential scheduling information. Bottom line, send out relevant communications to applicable contacts. Number 4, keep patients informed. This also applies to your general public. Keep in mind, some practices are going to completely close their doors. This may be an opportunity for you to help someone who needs help. So utilize all of your communication channels. This includes social media, text messages, emails, and even putting a bulletin up on your website. You should keep your information updated, such as your hours, any alternative information, any instructions, anything even covered in the previous point should all be publicly available so it's known. Particularly any policy changes or information that would be vital that your patient should understand and know, again, as they're coming back to the practice or looking into the future of the decisions that the practice is making and where you're going. Number 5, answer questions. Again, this goes back to having complete open communication channels. Your phone, social media, emails, text messages, live chat on your website, all the above and any other methods should all be utilized in this situation and scenario. Sometimes in these circumstances, your patients need your help more than ever, and we highly recommend standing by their side and making all of these communication outlets available, even if it means you have staff manning different shifts, working from home, and generally available. And it's very important that communications are answered as rapidly as possible. And it goes without saying, giving real answers to questions. And that means coming up with answers on your side that you're prepared to deliver. Such as, when can I expect my next appointment? Or when can I expect my appointment to be scheduled to? Answer the best you can. Of course, be honest, but that timely response is extremely important. In other words, just make yourself available. Make any one single or multiple contact points available and publish that information online so that it's easy to access. And here's a brief summary. First of all, we're making ourselves available to help you in this situation. We're extending help out to our existing client base as well as new potential clients for us. So if you're in a situation where you're not sure what to do, you have questions, you don't know how to access all of your online presence points, we can help you sort that out. On the right here, we have a summary, which is 3 points. So number 1 is, of course, 1 through 5 that I just went over. Want to make sure those are applied. Internet-wide schedule changes and information updates. This means that any area where a potential public or an existing client, patient, would go online and find information about what's happening with your practice, making that available to them. And of course, using other communication methods to keep your existing patients and potential public up to date, policy changes, etc., as we progress through this coronavirus situation. And just because this is a specific to coronavirus and what's happening, these bullet points apply in normal business circumstances. But we understand at this time it's much more important because it's vital you take care of your clients and patients. Thank you for watching this brief video. We wish you all the success, and we look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.